Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, let's talk about how can we program this part inside Siemens NX12. Let's get right into it. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, so make sure to subscribe to the channel to be a part of the conversation. I just created these two programs, and if you want to verify the toolpath, click on the 3D dynamic and verify it. And I want to hit OK. Okay, so I'm going to delete both of the programs so that I can create it again. The first thing which comes in mind is I told you earlier that whenever you just brought your model into the manufacturing environment, you have to make sure to click on the geometry view, and the first thing which comes in mind is just to define the manufacturing coordinate system, and I'm just putting it at the middle of the part and top of it, as you can see over here. Make sure the Z is upward. You can deal with the X and Y axis. You can just rotate it at 90, and I want to hit OK. The next thing is just to define the workpiece. I had just defined my workpiece in blank, but for now I'm just defining it again, selecting the part and go to the specify the blank. I'm selecting the bounding black, and right now I'm just taking a fixed size box, no additional material to either side. Either you can add it to any side if you want, and I'm selecting OK and click OK. If you want to define certain materials, you can go for it, but it doesn't matter. Once you're done with this, then the next thing is just to define the proper tools. Now, whenever you define your tool, you need to analyze certain sections. For that, you can just specify the certain tool of diameter. For that, I want to click on analyze, and I'm just going for the simple diameter. I'm selecting this one of 10 mm diameter and 8 mm diameter. It means for radius. So I can go for the 8 mm tool and 10 mm tool. But for this region, I will select a bit of lower radius so that I can machine it. So I want to click on the application in manufacturing. So let me just create the proper operation for it. Alright, so the next thing which comes in mind, I just define my two tools of 12 mm diameter and 5 mm of diameter over here. So I'll go directly for the operation mill planer, as the cutting boards are parallel to Z axis, and I want to select the floor involved. You can choose the region where you want to be coming your program, and now in this case my program all comes under this 1, 2, 3, and I'm selecting this tool, workpiece and mill finish. I just want to finish it up at once, and now I'm selecting this region, specify cutting area, select this region and this region, and I'll select OK. Automatic walls, and in method mill finish floors, choose follow path, constant step over. Either you can go and choose it in millimeter, half of diameter. Either if you can choose lesser than half of the diameter to be more on safe side, depth per cut of 1 mm, and generate the toolpath. Verify the toolpath and hit OK. And what I can do, I just want to click on the tool, and I just want to edit, and in tool diameter I want to take 8 mm of tool, and I want to hit OK, and again I want to generate it, and now verify it and click on play. And right now I want to click OK and click OK. The next thing is just I want to click on the create operation, again floor involved, but I'm just changing the tool to 5 mm, and I want to hit OK. and in this case I'm selecting the regions, which is this region, and this region, and I want to hit OK. Alright, next what I can do is just to select the follow path, 50% tool diameter of the step over, and depth per cut I want to select 1 mm, and I want to generate the tool path. If you want to verify it, you can do it too by just selecting verify and just see. You can select both of the program at once. I want to hit OK. Once you are happy with the tool paths, then the next thing which comes in mind is to just select both of them, right click and the tool path, and you can simulate it from here as well. See, materials showed, and I want to close it. The next thing which comes in mind is just to define the post processor. I want to go for the post processor in 3 axis, and I want to hit OK. Actually, I selected both of the program, so this G code will be created for both of the programs. Either you have to choose the separate one and go for the G codes. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any of the query, you have to go for the shop documentation, and I want to hit OK. See, this is the shop documentation, which tool you have used, which operation you have used, which machine mode you have used, tool path, time in minutes, path image, each and everything. And I want to hit OK. See? So, make sure you subscribe to my channel to be getting such kind of hilarious and conceptual tutorials. Thanks for watching.